in. Hi, babe. Come in.
Hey, stay back.
Babe, what's wrong?
Move back. Just move back.
Babe, what is it?
You're asking me what the problem is. Where were you last night? And before you speak, don't you even think of lying to me? Because I know.
Babe. So now, even him send a many girl next year. I can't say I won't go. Mancho, me call you Mancho. Me call you 30 minutes spend and me free one. I had to pass through. Please.
You always have an excuse for everything. And right, me know me and here. And then you asked me, you would want to go. I told you, don't go. And I'll call you, me boy.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Now the question is, when you saw why then did you ask me? Since this year, the open eye.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Stay back. Stay back. Just stay back. Ya casino. We be some me see there be men co. Say by me saying, what changed your mind? And why didn't you even think of texting me? Say, you know what? I really want to go. Say.
Babe, I'm
stay back. Since you see the open lobby, right? And yes.
Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Babe.